Hello students, now we will see the problem based on fermentation and combination. So let's begin this chapter. So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss chapter that is permutation and combination. First we are going to discuss the questions based on permutation and then we go for combination. So permutation means what? Permutation means simply ways or the number of ideas you can generally find out. Okay, so suppose there are three players who are running for a race, right? Suppose there is Rahul, there is Shubham, there is Akash. Okay, so if I ask you in how many ways they can come first, second, and third in a race, so you have to find the ways, means how many possibilities are there, right? So either Rahul will come first, then it comes Shubham, then Akash. Second possibility is Rahul comes first, Akash comes second, and Shubham comes third. Third possibility is Shubham comes first, Rahul comes second, Akash comes third. Fourth possibility is Shubham comes first, Rahul remain uh, uh, sorry, Akash remains second, and Rahul remain third. Fourth possibility is that Akash come first. Fifth possibility is Akash come first, Shubham comes second, and Rohan come third. The last possibility is Akash come first, Rohan come second, and third come Shubham. Okay. So how many ways were there? One, two, three, four, five, six. There were six ways or six possibilities in which this three position can be filled, right? First, second, and third. So if you do like this, it will take a lot of time, right? And you won't able to solve much of the questions in examination. So instead of this, just makes three books. Okay. Okay. So first position means third rank, second rank, and first rank. So in how many ways I can fill this third rank? In three ways, right? There are three contenders. After filling one of the places, after filling one of the places, two are vacant, right? Two are vacant. One person is fixed. So now second place I can fill in how many ways? Two ways. Either Shubham will come or Ravi will come. And first place will fill. Now second place is also filled. One person is also filled. Now how many person are remaining? One. So after you just multiply this, you get six. So 6 is the number of ways in which these places can filled. And here also it came 6. So instead of doing this, you have to do this in permutation. Very simple chapter it is. Just you have to think for first 5 to 10 seconds. After thinking first 5 to 10 seconds, you can find out answer. Just you have to push little pressure on your head for first 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, that's the only condition. So here is a question: how many three-digit number can be formed with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if digit cannot be repeated? So three-digit number, so you have to make three boxes. Try to make diagram. If you won't make diagram, it become very hard, because formula you won't remember. Diagram is everything for aptitude. And if someone is teaching with you diagram, then it's way good instead of teaching with formulas, because formula make you lot of confusion and it give you satisfaction for a while, for 1 minute or 2 minutes, but for long run you cannot remember this much. Okay, your memory won't stand up to that level. So instead of that, go with diagram that is universal, that you can apply there, and just little bit logic you have to put and answer comes automatically. So five numbers are given to you, and there is a condition that no number should be repeated. So first place, third place, I can fill by five numbers, any five number. After fixing five, one number is fixed here, one number is fixed here out of those five. Then how many is remaining? Four is remaining, right? And there is a condition that no number should be repeated. If they ask you repeated, then what would be answer? Five into five into five. But as they tell you, there is a condition that no number should be repeated. If you fixed one number here, then how many number is remaining, right? So 4 number is remaining. And now after fixing one more number here, how many numbers are remaining? 3 numbers are remaining, right? 3 numbers are remaining. So the number of ways this can be filled is 3 into 4, that is 12. 12 into 5 is 60. So 60 ways is the answer. Okay, 60 ways is the answer. So you can find out by your own if you want to check, right? The condition is given there. If they ask you without repetition, then what will be the with repetition? Then what will be the answer? 125. 5 into 5. But as they said, digit cannot be repeated, so the places need to be fixed. So first place fixed. After one number is fixed, right? After that, how many is remaining? 4 is remaining. Like this, you have to do. Okay. There is another question. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed with number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Digit cannot be repeated. So they are asking that digit should not be repeated. So how many numbers you have to form? You have to form a 4-digit number. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 digits, right? And how many numbers we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So if I ask you that while filling the numbers, if you go through the brackets, you will find that the last number I can fill from any of the numbers, right? Last number, that means 4, 3, 2, 1. So I can place 1, 0 or anything. The things will not change and I can form n number of numbers. Means I can put out of these numbers any number here, right? There is no objection on the numbers that I can put here. So there are total 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I can put any number freely in the last bracket. After putting one number in this, out of 6 number, one number get fixed here and remaining numbers will come here. So after one number get fixed here, so then rest of the number is how much? Suppose we fixed 5 here. So now we are left with 5 numbers and we can fill any of those 5 number in this bracket, right? Similarly, now suppose I fixed 4 here. So how many numbers I am left with? I am left with 4 numbers. So I can fill the second place with 4 numbers. After filling the second place with 4 numbers, the last bracket that is there, I can fill with rest of the numbers, right? One more number get fixed here. Okay, first I fix 5 here. So this number I cannot use. Then I fixed 4 here. So this number get fixed here. So I cannot use it further. Then 3 I fixed. Now the 3 numbers are remaining. But the first number, I cannot fill it with 0. Why? Because if I fill it with 0, suppose if in the first place I take 0, 2, 3, 1. So it is not a 4-digit number. It is a 3-digit number. And our condition is that we have to form a 4-digit number, so it won't get fulfilled. So we cannot use 0 in this place. So because of out of this 3 number, because 0 cannot be used, it automatically get eliminated. So we left with only 2 numbers, so 2 numbers can be filled. So we have to simply multiply them in order to know how many numbers we can form, 4-digit number we can form by using this 6 digits. So 2 into 4, that is 8, 8 into 5, that is 40, 40 into 6, that is 240. So we can form 240 numbers. I hope you all get a clear idea how we can solve it. So here is another question. How many 3 digits odd number can be formed with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if digit cannot be repeated? There are what? 3 digits number you have to find an odd number. So odd means what? 1, 3, 5 out of this. So this last bracket you can fill in how many ways? 3 ways, right? Now after filling this bracket by 3 ways, one number is fixed, right? So one number he cannot used for next bracket. So how many is remaining out of 5? One is fixed, 4 can be used in this place, and here 3, because after fixing one more number here, the remaining is 3, right? So after you multiply this 4 into 3 into 3, what you get 36. So 36 odd numbers places can be formed with this number. Okay, so how we did, again I'm going to repeat. 1, 3, 5, these are odd numbers. So last place for odd can be filled in how many ways? 3 ways, right? 3 numbers. Out of those, one number is fixed. So how many is remaining? 5 number out of 5. 4 number is remaining. So next number can be formed in 4 ways. next of it by 3 ways. Okay, this how you need to remember things. So here is a question: how many 5-digit number can be formed with number this 09563? If first case is if digit can be repeated, second case is digit cannot be repeated. So you have 5 places, right? Out of those 5 places, there are one, two, three, four, five numbers, right? So they ask you digit can be repeated, so last place can be filled by all 5 numbers, right? Right, if you see this number like 5 number, there is something 1 5 6 7 7 8 9 8, last can be filled by any number, right? Zero can also you filled in last, right? After that, repetition is allowed. That means the next number can also be filled by 5, next also 5, next also 5. But here you cannot fill it by 5 places, one, two, three, four, 5. You cannot fill it with 0. Why? If you filled it with 0, it will be 4-digit number, not 5-digit number. So for 5-digit number, you have remaining with how many choices? 4 choices, not 5 choices. Okay, so 4. For 0 you cannot fit. So after multiplying this, the number what you get is 25. 125 125 into 4, that is equivalent to your 500. 5 into 100 into 5, 2500. In 2500 ways you can form number that can be repeated. Second is digit cannot be repeated. Okay, digit cannot be repeated. So 3, 4, 5. Okay, so last can be filled by 5 times, 5 numbers or 5 ways. The next can be filled by 4 because repetition are not allowed, so one number is eliminated. Then 3, then 2. But here when you come first number, right? So you cannot use 0. Why? Because 0 0 you cannot be used, because if you use 0 in the first place, it become a 4-digit number, right? So you cannot use 0. Out of those remaining 1 2 3 4 5, so you have only left with how many choice? One choice. Thank you.